Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus smartphone was launched on August 17, 2019. Phones come with dynamic AMOLED 6.8 touchscreen aperture. The 19 by 9 it is powered by 1.9 GHz octa-core Samsung Exynos 9825 processor, chilled with 1.9 GHz 2 cores and clock 2.4 GHz of 4-hour over at 2.7 GHz. Come with 12 GB on RAM. As far as the camera concerned, the Galaxy Note 10 Plus on the rear back quad camera setup consisting of 12 megapixel of primary camera within 1.5 to 2.4 aperture, secondary 16 megapixel ultra wide lens with 2.2 aperture, and the third 12 megapixel telephoto lens with 2.1 aperture. A fourth time of the 3D VGA rear camera has a force face detection autofocus. There is a 10 megapixel of camera on the front for the selfies with an 2.2 aperture. Front camera also features the autofocus. The Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus is one way based on the Android Pie. It is packed with 512 GB inbuilt storage and expanded micro SD card up to 1 TB in the dual SIM smartphone except Nano SIM, and the Nano SIM card device is powered by 4300 mAh battery, non-removable battery with 40-watt fast charger. It supports 15-watt wireless fast charging, and it also supports unlock a new feature IP68 rating for the dust and water protection. Huawei P30 Pro is the best smartphone comes with photography now. One way the P30 Pro is so close to being first smartphone. People is already the top spot, the best smartphone you ever used. It comes with 5x and 10x optical zoom and also comes with 50x large zoom. It has 7-inch screen with P30 Pro may have Full HD plus resolution, but there is clear color for providing an excellent canvas for your apps and game. Huawei P30 Pro packs 4200 mAh battery, which is close pretty much all of the rivals. The P30 Pro is packed with 8 GB of RAM and hands plenty power of under its suit. This means P30 Pro is capable of handling app throughout its fast load time and the ability to render the graphical demanding games such as PUBG. On the highest, it is a pair 30 Pro potentially running out of the juice. The battery life here is excellent. The Huawei P30 Pro standard feature is its camera setup. The feature always marketing the phone around for good reason, as the camera's phone is excellent. For the rear camera, the first quad camera, it is a 40 megapixel and it may have resulted a 20 megapixel of ultra wide lens and time on the flat depth sensing camera. From the Sharp, it is the industry of the 4 rear camera are quite simply exhausting. The design is eye catching and powerful. It is providing good 5x to 10x zoom and the digital 50x zoom, which give you the instantly close to the object. In the distance, there is a low light capability and also support top notch. The P30 Pro not only sets a new standard for a Huawei, it sets the new standard for the entire mobile industry. Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, the best smartphone available right now. It is the big phone that is designed for big hand and it takes very best effort on the smartphone market and puts it together compelling package that we have loved testing. The Super AMOLED 6.4 inch has been measured at the very best around with the super color and great dynamic ranges. Essentially, very the best viewing experience you can have on the mobile phone. Default resolution is a Full HD plus screen. You can crack it the Quad HD. It is very sharp with the GR10 Plus for the superior contrast and the color. That is very important feature if you have a movie watcher on your phone Plus. There is a fingerprint scanner embedded in the display. Battery life on the Galaxy S10 Plus is improvement over the incident thanks to the larger 4100 mAh battery inside it, very rich. Bedtime the double digit. There is a tank which offer wireless charging. You can charge the other device on the back. There is a normal telephoto lens and the new ultra wide photos. You can capture more than what's your friends without having a few step back in the Galaxy S10 Plus. It is packed with full Samsung and offer comes together to smartphone best experience around it right now. The Honor 20 Pro does not look particularly different from any standard Android phone. The Honor 20 Pro look, feels and run like a premium smartphone, but there is a polish on the hype more for the Importantly, with the price tag, this is sleek, powerful mid-range phone. The phone have a 6.6-inch screen and uses LCD Full HD plastic. This phone has a 9.6 screen ratio. The power button and the fingerprint sensor are one of the same. This phone has the 4000 mAh battery. It could easily last for a day. It supports 22.5 fast charging. The Honor Pro 20 Pro camera setup is one of the biggest camera setup at their selling point. We have four cameras as our follows: a 48 megapixel of 1.4 aperture main snapper with the optical image stabilization. It has 16 megapixel of sensor with a wide angle and 8 megapixel of telephoto lens and a US 2 megapixel of micro camera. The front 32 megapixel of selfie, which is a very generally high quality pictures like the most Honor devices. The P20 Pro comes with the Magic 2.1 on the top Android 9. After years of walking in the shadows of Apple and Samsung, the Chinese filmmaker this is accepting to the light and the fogging a new path. It is a new Android smartphone, the OnePlus 7 Pro, with the premium glass and the metal design, a sharper notch-free display of pop-up selfie camera, and a faster, more expensive display. The fingerprint sensor has a triple rear camera system for the real OnePlus Pro. Has the more of the doing the on the Pro name, and Pro is still cheaper than the top phones from the Samsung, Apple, Sony, and Huawei. So it is not going to break the bank, and it is pop-up of camera, tricky gorgeous. There is always clean display and a lot of love with the whole screen of the 7 Plus Pro. 6.7-inch Quad HD Plus display, the free notches, and the punch-hole camera. Oversized the bezel, the front of the camera. This is pretty much, and the rear. It's look great, colorful, and punch. Thanks to the AMOLED panel, we found in the 7 Pro could be the last more than a day in the single charge with the new something here all hands in our phone. It can do. There is a triple camera setup. Around the 7 Pro, it is a Sun 48 megapixel of main snapper. It is a really photo of wide angle option. It is a solid snapper, but it does not quite challenge the Google Pixel range. However, there is something on the front. Not you can see the front facing camera because it is hidden in the body, pops out on the hinge of the wired. OnePlus 7